Hello, and thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we'll be covering some UI quick features. Today I would like to go over some of the new features you will see in the Sales Hub app. The first one is going to be how to pin the stage flyout. Second, we will see how to pin the recently viewed items. And finally, we'll go over some of the new navigation changes that have been updated in the Sales Hub. The first feature that I would like to go over is the ability to dock or pin the stage flyout right from the business process stage that you're on. In this example, we are on an opportunity, and if normally, just as before, you select the qualify or any of the other stages, you'll notice that a drop-down with your critical information opens. There is, however, now an option to click Pin the Stage Flyout, and once selected, it moves the drop-down to the right hand of the screen, and not only for the stage you're working on, but for any of the stages that you work on moving forward. Additionally, the system remembers, as you move from an opportunity into a different lead, to keep that data information there. If you want to get rid of it from being on the pane on the right-hand side, simply hit the Close button, and it'll return to being a drop-down menu. The second feature is the Pinned and Recently Viewed. This is a bit tricky. One might think that a pin feature means that you can pin from wherever you are into your pin drop-down. However, keep in mind that with the Sales Hub, you can only pin from your recently viewed items, which is now completely integrated into one drop-down menu. So for instance, if you'll hover over how we were just on a cloud corner, you'll notice that the pin appears. Selecting that pin, it does leave it in your recently viewed, but now if you go down to your pinned items, you'll also see that it's there as well, and it will remain there until the pin is once again removed. Finally, you'll notice that the new Sales Hub interface no longer has the close, minimize, and other buttons that used to be featured on the top right. They have essentially been removed and have disappeared. However, Sales Hub has enabled a few functions to aid in this transition. You are able now to use the back and forward buttons within your existing browser. You can now also hold Control and right-click to open a piece of data in a new tab. For instance, I wanted the accounts section, but I don't really want to leave my opportunities, so it did open it in a new tab. Most helpfully, once you leave a section, it will navigate you back where you left off. So for this example, we'll go ahead and go into an opportunity and our product line items, and let's go ahead and add a new product. Notice how I'm no longer in the opportunity, but I'm in the product screen. Let's go ahead and add the product. And when we hit save and close, after I enter our quantity, let's do 10. And save and close. It brings us right back to the opportunity that we were on. Some of the other navigation changes that have been included that you may or may not know about is the Quick Create. So once you have the Quick Create, it does also open up into the right-hand side of your pane as well. So it does not navigate you away from the current screen that you're on, just as before, only now it opens up over into the right-hand side. And one of the other things that I did want to point out is for the filtering function. Notice that you no longer have to select a filter button off to the right and then choose which column you want to filter. They all now have their own individual filtering options on the columns that are adjusted specifically for the data that is in the column itself. Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics 365 training demo series. Come see us on LinkedIn for our Cloud Corner every Wednesday. And check out our other training demo videos. Leave us a comment and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we post a new video, remember to hit that notification bell. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info, that's INFO, at ppi365.com. We hope you join us again soon.